Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set a workout reminder on the JustFit application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the progress button down below on the right side corner and tap on this button in the upper right corner of the screen next to the feedback button. Scroll down to notifications and tap on workout reminder on the right side. But first you need to go to your phone settings and search for the application. And after that you should allow notifications. So tap on notifications and click on this button on the right side, and as you go back you will be able to set your workout reminder. If you tap on the reminder time, you can schedule your next workout. So select the days when you would like to receive a reminder, and the time should be selected as well. Then click on the save button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.